Friends, myself I am Harde, presently working in Rajarshi Shamaras Polytechnic Nasik. So today we will see the unit number 6 centrifugal pump. So in that we see the what is a NPSH and cavitations. So let's start NPSH, net positive suction head. So NPSH, net positive suction head. It is commonly used in a pump industry. Actually, minimum suction condition more frequently specified in terms of NPSH. The net positive suction head is defined as the absolute pressure head at the inlet to the pump minus vapor head in the head. So NPSH absolute pressure head at the inlet of pump minus vapor head. So write down first net positive suction head. So NPSH is the absolute pressure head at the inlet to the vapor head. So P1 upon rho G, PV upon G, V square upon 2G. That is the absolute pressure head at inlet of pump. From equation, absolute pressure head at inlet of pump is PA1 upon rho G is equal to PA upon rho G minus V square upon 2G upon plus HS plus HFS. So substituting this value in equation NPSH is PA upon rho G minus V square upon 2G plus HS plus HFS minus PV upon rho G plus V square upon 2G. So PA upon rho G minus PV upon rho G minus HS. So with the help of the PA upon rho G is a HA, PV upon rho G is a HV. So that is a atmospheric pressure head and vapor pressure head. So there is a total suction head. Hence NPSH is equal to total suction head, and NPSH may be defined as the total head required to make a fluid flow suction pipe to the impeller. So for any installation, so firstly write down the net positive suction head. So write down NPSH. What is a NPSH? So basically, any pump installation, the distinction is made between required NPSH and available NPSH. The value of NPSH is given by pump manufacturing. It's called also determined experimentally. For determining its value, the pump is tested minimum value of HS, which is obtained gives maximum efficiency without any noise. The required NPSH varies with the pump design, speed of pump and capacity. When pump is installed, the available NPSH is calculated from equation. So in order to have cavitation free operation of centrifugal pump, the available NPSH should be greater than required NPSH. So this is a net positive suction head. Write down. So next is cavitations. So what is a cavitation in centrifugal pump? So the centrifugal pump cavitation may be occur at the inlet of impeller. So the at suction side, the pump, when the pressure considerably reduce and the pressure in the suction side of the pump drop below the vapor side. Due to that, cavitation is occur. That means pressure at the suction side drop below the vapor pressure in the of the liquid. Due to that, cavitation may be occur. So it is occur in the impeller of pump. The cavitation of pump is noted by sudden drop efficiency and head. So in order to determine cavitation will occur in any portion of suction side of pump, the critical value of Thoma cavitation factor is calculated by this formula. So firstly write down the cavitations. So next is Thoma cavitation factor. So mathematically it is given by Thoma cavitation factor. It gives the cavitation in pump. So sigma is equal to HB minus HF minus HLS H. So HB is H atmosphere minus HV minus HS minus HLFS upon H. So H atmosphere is atmospheric pressure head of water or absolute head of water. Then HV pressure head. Then HS suction head. Then HLS head loss due to friction, and H head developed by pump. So for the turbine it gives some values. The value of sigma is greater than sigma c. So the Thoma cavitation factor per particle turbine or pump is calculated from equation that is a sigma HATM minus HV HB minus HS upon H and HS minus HLS upon H. So write down this. So in today's we have see the cavitations. So first is what is a effect of cavitations. So due to metallic surface are damaged due to cavity form. Second is due to sudden collapse of vapor, considerable noise and vibration are produced. The turbine efficiency increases due to pitting action and blade having rough and force exerted by the turbine blades. So the how to minimize special material of coating used for pipes which is resist the cavitation of material. So in this way today we have see the cavitation and NPSH. Thank you.